Hello, my name is Martha Martinez, and I am going to give you some information over Mentimeter for my AEP 800 class. So I just selected this resource because I was looking for a way to get real-time feedback on some questions, on some polls that I've usually just try to count, hands and things like that in the classroom. So I was trying to find a different way to ask my students for their opinion or for their give them choices and then have real-time data on that. So Mentimeter is free for the basic controls. You can upgrade to a different subscription and it gives you a little bit more options, but if you're using it for basic presentations, then I think the free subscription should be enough. So to access Mentimeter, you need to go to mentimeter.com. So the intended audience for this resource would be my students, and I would use it for polls and questionnaires and some just quick information, quick checks for understanding as well. The two ISTE standards that are covered by using this resource would be the ISTE standards for learners 2B and 2C. So when you type in mentimeter.com into the web browser, it's going to bring you to this screen. If you click your presentations, it's going to give you the option to sign up. I have already signed up, so whenever I click your presentations, it's going to bring me to my presentations that I've already created. So what I've done is I've created some presentations just to kind of play with the formats and the different question styles, and you can also go to inspiration to kind of give you some inspiration on other presentations that other people have used. So if you click on your presentation, it's going to give you the design layouts. Over here on the right side, it's going to give you the type of questions, which they have multiple choice, word count, open-ended, etc., as well as a way to select a certain answer or type in the answer. There is, points, values, forms, and things like that. If you click on content, it's going to give you the actual way to type in the questions that you want to use. And then to customize it, of course, there's different layouts that you can choose. It has a lot of different customizable options. There's different themes and so forth. And so it's just a lot like Nearpod. If you've ever used Nearpod, the students access it through a code, which you can share by using the QR code or by copying the link and sending it through your learning management system. So I enjoyed using it. It did have a lot of different options that I had to, think about using it in, like different ways to use it. But if you're looking for a quick way to get some information or to ask an opinion and get some information back for real-time information, I think this would be really useful. You can also preview it so you can kind of see what the students see, and you're able to give them a certain amount of time to answer the question, which is nice, just to kind of get the presentation moving along. So overall, I think I could definitely use this. I would use this for just quick kind of classroom questions. Right now, whenever we want to vote on something in the classroom, I usually just have the students put their head down and then raise their hands, and I count the hands to see who, which vote got the most. But I think I would use this one just because it's a little bit more interactive for the students, and it gives you the data right there so that they know what the winning votes were. Overall, it's a pretty good way to present information and quick checks for understanding. Thank you.